In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradestation to Tradingview. By the end, you'll have your broker linked directly to your Tradingview charts so you can manage positions and execute trades from the same place you analyze the market. Start by going to tradingview.com and signing in to your Tradingview account. Make sure you're on a chart page. That's where the connection options live. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser will make this smoother, and if you're returning after a while, a quick refresh can help ensure everything loads correctly. Once your chart is open, move to the bottom of the screen and look for the trading panel. It's a collapsible section beneath the chart. Click Trading Panel to open it. You'll see a set of tiles and logos for all the platforms Tradingview supports. If your screen is zoomed in or the panel looks cramped, reduce your browser zoom slightly so all broker options are visible. Find Tradestation in that list and click it. This action tells Tradingview which broker you want to use, and it will prompt a secure sign-in flow for your Tradestation account. A pop-up or new window may appear. If nothing shows up, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for Tradingview. Now sign in to your Tradestation account and proceed through the authorization. You'll be asked to let Tradingview access your account so it can display balances, positions, and enable trading from the chart. Review the permissions, then confirm to authorize. This connection uses secure protocols and can be revoked later within your broker or platform settings if you change your mind. If your Tradestation account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt when asked. After you authorize, Tradingview will finalize the link and return you to the trading panel. You should see Tradestation marked as connected, and your account details may appear in the panel depending on your broker and region. If you don't see a confirmation right away, give it a moment, then refresh the chart page. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't connect on the first try. Confirm you're using a Tradestation account type and region supported by Tradingview, ensure your credentials are correct, and temporarily disable any aggressive pop-up or script blockers for the page. Also keep in mind broker maintenance windows can briefly interrupt new connections, and that's all it takes. You've logged into Tradingview, opened the trading panel, selected Tradestation, and authorized the connection. You're now ready to manage your trades directly from your Tradingview charts.